Hi everyone. We are doing a blog series via video, so a blog series rather, to answer the frequently asked questions for those of you who don't have time to read, but need to know the information about what Bravura has to offer. So today I'm going to start with, I have no experience, but I want to get into laser. Where do I start? It is the most common question. I probably get it 16 to 20 times a week, and it's a really, really fair question. So the first thing I need to ask the students is, what state do you come from? And the reason we start with this question is because there are certain regulations for certain states. So if you are from Queensland, Western Australia or Tasmania, there are licensing laws that you need to be aware of. All other states, there are no licensing laws. However, there's still a process that you need to go through. But Queensland, Western Australia and Tasmania, you have the process and you have the licensing laws. All other states, there's just the process. What is the process? So basically, to get into laser and or IPL, your number one minimum certification is a laser safety certificate. That's what Bravura offers in the way of the beginner course. So on our website, when you're in the cosmetics section, you'll see the beginner course, which is $499. That is your laser safety certificate. That's where you start. That is the beginning. And what that is similar to is your learner's license for driving a car. So that teaches you everything about the safety and the rules and what you need to know before you get behind the wheel of a car. Before you get behind the handpiece of a laser or an IPL, you need that foundation before you get started. Once you have the beginner certificate, laser safety certificate, you can move on to choosing what treatments you want to do. So the treatments that are available to learn are hair reduction, skin rejuvenation, tattoo removal, etc., etc., etc. Some of the students know exactly what they want to do. They've got it all mapped out. They're at this point and they want to get to this point. This is the end goal, and we fill in the gaps in the middle. Some students like, I'm just thinking about it. I'm not sure what I want to offer yet, and that is totally fine. Your base is your laser safety certificate. Then you choose what treatments you want to do and learn about. For all the states other than Queensland, Western Australia and Tasmania, you are able to study online, do your exam online, download and print your certificate, and with that certificate, you are legally and safely able to get a job, go and start searching for machines, to buy your own machine, to maybe open a salon at home or have a room at home that you'd like to work from. Queensland, Western Australia and Tasmania, once you have these certificates, and quite often a infection control certificate, now is the time that you start your license application. This is in a nutshell where we're at and how you get started. No, you don't need to have any pre-qualifications unless you are in Western Australia or Tasmania. And if you are from one of those states and you're wanting to get into the industry, shoot me an email, hello@bravura.edu.au, and I'm more than happy to take you through the process. But just for the sake of this blog, and in a nutshell, yes, you can get started with us without pre-qualifications. Yes, it is as easy as studying online. And yes, you can work in the industry after you have your certification. So looking forward to answering all the frequently asked questions through this vlog series. Hope this one was helpful. And as always, if you need anything, just reach out. We're more than happy to help. See you.